All right, simplify. How would you simplify this?
Oh, okay. I do the square root of 36, which is 6, and then I bring down x cubed and y to this part. Yeah.
So how do you handle x to the power of 3 here? How do you simplify that?
X times x.
Okay, so which is what?
X.
Okay, you have you have to write this as x squared times x. You have to break it down like this, right? So part of this is perfectly squared, namely this part here. So what is square root of x squared?
X.
Just x. So this is how you simplify this part here. So it would be x times square root of x. Now, how about square root of y to the power of 6? What is that equal to?
It'll probably y. Will it still be y to the square root of y?
Y to the power of what?
3. Nope.
Yeah, half of 6. Because this is the second root, right? It's the second root. So it would be 6 over 2, which is equal to 3. Okay. So in general, if I have square root of or nth root of, doesn't have to be square, nth root of x to the power of m, you can write it as x. You can write it as x to the power of m over n. Okay, does that make sense? Because your m is 6 here, so this is 6, and your root n is 2. That's why it would be 6 over 2. So if this number is even, and if this is the square root of something, we can always write this as this exponents over 2, and then eliminate the radical. But if this number is odd, like here this number was odd, right? We cannot divide 2 into 3, so I have to separate them into x to the power of 2 and x to the power of 1, and part of this is completely squared, namely x, and the other one stays under the radical. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. There are more sessions like this I have, so make sure to review that to see that. So this would be 6xy cubed times square root of x. Okay, this is something like also you need to know for this coming exam that you need to prepare, right?